Quality. Quality has various connotations to different entities. Before embarking fully on a project, it is important to understand the level of quality. First of all, in a statement of work or an RFP, and beyond that, getting into the project itself, you should have a similar understanding of quality to the customer, to the client. For that reason, the quality management plan is needed to put everyone on the same page as far as what quality is and how those quality standards will be achieved. Now, quality standards could be in-house, they could be regulatory, they could be from the perspective of the customer. And it's very important to align all these. Let's take a look at what the quality management plan is by opening up our PMP guide, 6th edition, and let's go to page 286. It states here, the quality management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes how applicable policies, procedures, and guidelines will be implemented to achieve quality objectives. It describes the activities and resources necessary for the project management team to achieve the quality objectives set for the project. The quality management plan may be formal or informal, detailed or broadly framed. Some organizations that are involved in quality do not have a quality management plan, and that surprises me. As a project manager, we need to begin to make a difference in how projects are run by introducing these valuable tools, such as the quality management plan. I once trained a company involved in building vessels, and while they had a quality process, they did not have a solid quality management plan from end to end. There was a piece in the plan that was missing. Can you guess which piece was missing? Typically, when you talk about quality, people immediately gravitate towards QC. But QC is not the only thing in quality. In quality, we have 3 processes. Broad categories of these are plan which quality standards you seek to achieve, then execute your plan to achieve this by carrying out processes to assure yourself that indeed the work is being done to those quality standards. And lastly, check the final product to ensure that indeed quality was achieved. The process that I've found to be missing oftentimes is the managed quality process or quality assurance, where you assure the customer that indeed quality standards are being met in the processes being carried out. This could be applied to any walk of life, any product, any project from any industry. It could be applied to an engineering project, a healthcare project, a food service delivery project. Anything you think of can ensure that the quality standards are being met before the final product, service, or result is delivered. In that way, you are carrying out prevention rather than kill. I look at QA as prevention, QC as some sort of kill. Now, they both work together. However, in the very beginning, you need that quality management plan. Now, a few more things in the PMP guide before we round up for today on page 286. It states the quality management plan may include quality standards to be used on the project, quality objectives of the project. Those quality objectives could be set forth in an RFP, some statement of work from the customer, quality roles and responsibilities, project deliverables and processes subject to quality review, quality control and quality management activities planned for the project. That is the QA I'm talking about. Those activities that assure customers before the end of the project, those need to be planned in. Quality tools that will be used for the project and major procedures relevant for the project, such as dealing with non-conformance, corrective action procedures, and continuous improvement procedures. Some companies may not refer to QA as QA or QC as QC as strictly as we do in the PMP guide, but whatever happens, it is important to ensure that quality is planned, quality is managed along the way by making sure we carry out activities to assure the stakeholders that indeed quality is being met, and lastly, to check the deliverables, be it 100% inspection, be it some random sampling, and things such as that. I hope this helps you. Now, for your exam, those of you who may be taking a professional exam from the PMI, be it the PMP or the CAPM, I would like to point out the last few sentences on page 286. That first paragraph in Quality Management Plan 8.1.3.1. It states, the quality management plan should be reviewed early in the project to ensure that decisions are based on accurate information. The benefits of this review can include a sharper focus on the project's value proposition, reductions in cost, and less frequent schedule overruns that are caused by rework. As you're working on your PMP or CAPM, realize that the benefits of each of these plans and processes are important for your success. One more page in the quality aspect is where the plan quality management process is talked about. Again, the key benefit of this process of putting together a quality management plan is that it provides guidance and direction on how quality will be managed and verified throughout the project. This process is performed once or at predefined points in the project. So what does this tell us? This tells us that quality management is not a one-time thing. It's not a one-day event. It's something that could happen all throughout the project to get to your optimum potential in quality management. Fitness for use, conformance to requirements, and customer satisfaction. That's what the project manager should be seeking to achieve with a team. If you're looking for awesome project management training, coaching for your team or yourself, go to Praizion.com and check out some of the offerings we have there. See you tomorrow.